Okay, dear friends, today we want to discuss about the coordinate geometry in 10th standard state syllabus. It is 7th chapter coordinate geometry. My name is Gururaj Joshi, qualification MSc B.Ed Mathematics. Today we want to discuss about the what is coordinates and distance formula, distance between the 2 points. That is distance formula. Okay. Now Okay, coordinate geometry, chapter number 7th. Before going to that, we know that abscissa and ordinate. Let us we discuss about the abscissa, that is horizontal line, x-axis, and vertical line, y-axis, y-axis. Here we want to discuss the distance this is first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, and this one is fourth quadrant. In the this point is known as origin. Coordinate of origin is always 0 0. Now we want to discuss the distance between the two points in the this is the point P and this one is point Q. Distance between these 2 points we want to discuss. Therefore, you take x1, y1, coordinate of point P, x1, y1 and coordinate of point Q, x2, y2. Find the distance between these 2 points. Already we know that this one is the x-axis, x dash, y and y dash. This one is the origin. Here coordinate of x1 and y coordinate of point P x1 y1 q x2 y2. We want to find the distance between the P and Q. Before going to that, you draw a perpendicular line P to x-axis and Q2 is also x-axis. Now here you take P, here x-axis, this is the point O, P, M and this one is N. We know that the distance between the O and M, this is up x1 because coordinate of x point P, x coordinate is x1. Distance between these two is x2. ON is equal to x2. Now you take the distance between the OM. This one is y1. This one is y2. Now we want to find the distance between these two. Therefore, you have to draw one parallel line to the x-axis. This one is parallel line. MN and PQR you take it. This one is PR perpendicular to QN. PR perpendicular to QN. Therefore, here let OM distance between these two is equal to x1 and ON is equal to x2. We want to find the distance between the MN. MN means here x2 minus x1. MN is equal to ON minus OM. MN is equal to ON minus OM. ON means here x2 minus x1. Therefore, Mn is equal to x2 minus x1. Here, Mn is equal to PR. Mn is equal to PR. PR is equal to x2 minus x1. Same, Mn is equal to PR because we drawn a parallel line to these two. Because these two are perpendicular line, these two are parallel lines. Now, therefore, Mn is equal to Rn because we drawn a parallel line. This is the same distance. Therefore, you take it here PM. PM is equal to Y1 and Qn is equal to Y2. Qn is equal to Y2. Now, we want to find the QR. QR is equal to Qn minus Nr. Here NR or RN is equal to PM. PM, this is also Y1 means only this one is also Y1. Therefore, here Y2 minus Y1. Therefore, QR is equal to QR. This QR is equal to Y2 minus Y1. This distance is equal to X2 minus X1. Now, we take in triangle PRQ. This is a right angle triangle because we drawn a PR perpendicular to QN. PR perpendicular to QN in triangle PRQ. In triangle PRQ, angle R is equal to right angle. When it is a right angle triangle, we know that square on the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the square on two sides. Here square on the hypotenuse PQ square, which is equal to PR square plus this one height square. Height means QR square. QR square. Already we know that PQ square, distance between this point P and Q, PQ square is equal to PR square. PR square means x2 minus x1, x2 minus x1 whole square plus QR is equal to y2 minus y1, y2 minus y1 whole square. Therefore, PQ square, which is equal to x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Only PQ is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is the distance formula. This one is known as distance formula. That means distance between the 2 points P and Q. Distance between the 2 points in a quadrant. First quadrant, second, third and fourth quadrant. Already you know that the distance between the 2 points in a quadrant, we can use the formula when PQ is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. When you know the point P is equal to point P, coordinate is x1 y1 and point Q coordinate is x2 y2. This formula is known as the distance formula. Okay.